All right, my beautiful friends, here we are. This is going to be lovely. My post-market wrap-up on this Monday, July 20th, 2020. So let's talk about what's happening here. So another record high, a record closing high for the Nasdaq today. You are not surprised about that. Um, this market is so sick. As a matter of fact, all the major stock market indices closed higher today. Crude oil ended up catching a bid. What a surprise. I'm not shocked at all. Okay, let's move forward here. The dollar finished fractionally lower. I would almost call it flat. Cryptocurrencies fell under a little pressure here. Gold and silver, especially silver, wow, very nice gains here. And this is going to be the norm moving forward. Of course, expect the usual games to be played. They're going to pressure it. It's going to pop back up. You know who's doing this. It's no secret. This is J.P. Morgan rigging the metals market from here to eternity, and they won't stop. No one will stop them. No one has the power to stop them. So forget about the commodities exchange or anyone else. They're going to turn the blind eye to anything that happens in the metals market. Why? Because the largest bank on the planet by assets, JP Morgan, has chosen to rig the metals market, and they're not done. But good. They're going to play their game. We're going to play ours. It could not be more simple. Let's talk about the 10-year yield, 0.61. Okay, so let's discuss what I can't actually put a word on it. Okay, today, if you follow my free newsletter, again, hint, there is a link in the description of this video. You know that I closed a lot of positions. I don't even know how many, a whole bunch. I didn't buy anything today. No. Why did Greg do that? No, I'm not saying here that this market is going to crash or anything. I just got this feeling that like I said, I can't even verbalize it. So, you remember the last time I said to people, I closed all my positions on a Friday, and then subsequently that Monday the market just tanked? Well, I kind of feel like that again, and it may turn out to be nothing. I want you to remember that. But number one, I had profits in every single position I closed today. I still have a 100% record with regard to those stock picks and options I placed in my free newsletter. There's a link down here. Okay. Not one realized loss. Not one. That will not last. I can promise you that. I'm already looking at a couple of positions I'm holding which don't look great to me right now, so I may end up closing these with a loss soon. But after dozens and dozens and dozens of positions, without having a single realized loss, and those lions, you out here who follow my work and know exactly when I entered, added to if I had to, and sold, you know I'm telling the truth. It's astounding. It really is. I don't know another way to put that. All right, so look, so like I was saying, I closed a whole bunch of positions today because again, I can't put a finger on this. I just got this feeling here. I don't like it. For all I know, stocks are going to vault higher tomorrow. That's the truth. I don't know how to word it or verbalize it. Call it intuition. I don't know. Maybe it's completely wrong. But again, there's never a reason that you need, honestly, to pull profits out of this market. You're never wrong. If you have a profit in the market, you're never ever wrong to pull it. Never. I don't care if the stock goes up 100% the next day. Doesn't matter. So I pulled my profit today. I still have a few open positions, just a couple. I want to see what happens over the next few days here. This market has gotten frankly stupid. You all know that. It's gone straight up, another record high for the NASDAQ. It's not normal. This is not normal, okay? But again, for all I know, it could continue. As long as the easy money continues to pour into this market. Now, let me put a perspective on that too. We're hearing from both Democrats and Republicans, the two-party system, which is really one, about trillions more stimulus. Not one of any of these creatures, both Democrats and Republicans, who are calling for more stimulus to the trillions of it, has ever verbalized to their constituents or to you where they're getting the cash. I'm going to give you one guess as to where the cash is coming from. The Federal Reserve. Exactly. You nailed it. You're really smart. I have to tell you that. But you will not hear that come out of the mouth of anyone. Not the president, not the creature who doesn't realize she's actually dead. That's Nancy Pelosi. No. They will not tell you that they got to go to the Fed and borrow trillions of dollars more, allowing the Fed to fulfill its destiny. Let me ask you this. If you could think of one organization on the planet, just one, that would benefit the most from the global scamdemic, who would it be? Whoa, again, the Federal Reserve. Exactly. I can't believe how smart you all are. It's incredible. Yeah. So, today again, and this bothers me, all right? I want to talk about this real quick. Repeatedly, the President of the United States has said China released the virus. China released the virus. Like we don't know. He's said it a gazillion times. Today again, China released the virus. The President knows this is not true. The China did not release this virus. The virus was released by the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve is the most powerful organization on the planet that, again, has the United States military, all of it, under its thumb via the petrodollar. You understand? So, with that mechanism in place, they can do whatever they want, whenever they want. They answer to no one. That's just the way it is. The Federal Reserve dispersed this virus. Looks like it might have come out of China first, but it was the Fed. It wasn't China. So the president has got to stop the nonsense. He thinks we're stupid. You see, you and me, we're not stupid. And the fact that he's repeating it over and over and over, you tell a lie long enough and big enough, people will believe it's true. And that's what he's trying to do. It's a deception. It's a grand deception. You understand? I want to tell you something else. Look, I give credit where credit's due with regard to the president. And I also call him out when he does something that I am very disappointed about. I want to see the president succeed. There's no doubt about it. But today, the president caved. There's no other way to put it. He said he wasn't going to do any more coronavirus press briefings like 3 months ago. Well, guess what? Now he's caving into public pressure, apparently, that he should be doing some briefings on this coronavirus. Meanwhile, the narrative from the mainstream media is completely saturated, so we need to hear one more voice. Now, there are some out here of you who have written to me already, oh no, the president is doing this because he's going to tell the truth now on the virus. No, ain't going to happen, all right? He caved. Just deal with it. The man caves all the time. This is the first time he's caved into something. He is Caveman. I did a whole video about Caveman a while back. And with regard to that, he's allowing China to puppetize him like you cannot believe. It's incredible. But anyway, it's all a freak show, with the Walking Dead, Nancy Pelosi. You got the president here who's, I don't know, whatever his issues may be. He's got to get his act together, and he's got to get his act together soon. Personally, he's got to stop putting himself in these defensive positions, blaming this person or an entire country for failed policy, which he does all the time. I don't care what side of the aisle you're on, this is true. He's got to start stating facts and backing them up. And again, stop sidestepping the fact that this China deal It was an abysmal failure. Just say, listen, I tried. Mr. President, if you would try this, I guarantee you, your approval numbers would go higher. There's no doubt about it. But the fact that you cave all the time, and this is a cave, okay, with regard to now you're going to do more press briefings on the fake virus, okay, that you think it's going to make a difference. And for those of you that think the president's going to go finally tell the truth, let's see if he does, okay? I bet you he doesn't. Anyway, look, you can't make this stuff up. It's impossible to do. The environment we are in is so sick. It is so twisted. It is so fake. It is so propagandized and politicized and everything that you want to think about. It should be circumcised. Just get rid of the whole damn thing. That's the truth. The system is corrupt. The system is wrong. I don't know another way to put it. You want to talk about wrong? Go to my Facebook page or my Twitter feed. A financial company that manages trillions of dollars received, this is just one, okay, and there's multiple, received a forgivable loan. How does that work when small businesses across America are being culled on an epic scale? You see the corruption here? Look, we've had corruption in this country for many, many years, but never to this level. Nothing comes close. That's the truth. All right. No matter what side of the aisle you sit on, you have to agree that this is the truth. Otherwise, you're just missing a lot. All right. With that said, people, like I said, caution. I am very cautious here. Could Greg be wrong? Absolutely. But no matter what happens, I'm sitting pretty. If this market decides to go up over the next couple of days, what do? I look for new opportunities to put money to work. If the market decides it wants to go down over the next several days, well, guess what? I got lots of Ben Franklins here ready to go to battle. You understand? So simple, so easy. I will not let you down. Share the video. See you in the morning. I'm out of here.